Hi, my name is Ryan. I work at Haley's here. I'm the person that you call out for duct cleaning. I'm just here to answer any of the questions that you might have about duct cleaning. When the system starts up, all it's really doing is whatever that filter don't collect, you're just recirculating that stuff in your house. People don't think that dust weighs anything, but over time it does. And when you start getting dust in there, you start losing that efficiency and you're losing some of that airflow. With the whip method, I feel that you get a lot more of the debris out because you're breaking it up and you're pushing that debris towards that vacuum so it can suck up a lot more. All ductwork is different. Ductwork does leak. I want the best suction as I can. I rather use the whip because I had that air pressure behind me, also on top of a vacuum in front of me. We don't know what's in the air. It's dust, it can be pet mites, it can be rodent stuff. So many different factors out there what can be in your ductwork. It can change the air quality in your house. The main houses that could benefit more with pets, people that have allergies, asthma, bloody noses, something down that line, let us know. When you do it yourself, you have an option of actually wrecking your equipment than improving it. And what I mean by that is you can push some of that debris to block off some of the ductwork, or that debris can go in on top of, like, say, your A coil or something, and then you're restricting airflow. You can overheat your furnace, or you can freeze your system and then you don't got no air conditioning or you don't got no heat. Some signs that I actually get from customers is they say that their house feels a little stuffy. We close our house down majority of the year. A lot of people are like, well, I got a runny nose, I'm sneezing, stuff like that in the house, but then I go outside and I breathe just fine. Air's a lot cleaner outside than inside your house. That can be an indication that dust that's building up on the return there, so maybe my ducts are dirty. That depends on the house. Your average house is roughly about 4 hours and it goes up from there. So the bigger the house, the longer we're gonna be there. That is yes. There are some companies that only hit your supplies, and your supplies are the air coming out of your vents. And we hit both of them. The reason why the returns are always the dirtiest. That's all the air that gets sucked into your house before it hits that air filter. I also do before and after pictures, not on every register, but I do pick a before picture and an after picture so you can see the difference. The average house is probably 5 to 7 years. When we start having animals or you have allergies, asthma, you probably want to shorten it down and probably doing the 3 to 5 year mark. We can also come out and do an inspection as well. Cost starts at $982. And that price would be for majority of the homes, but with a bigger home, the price will go up a little bit more. A lot more people are starting to get aware of how dangerous dryer lint can be on starting a fire. When a dryer goes up, it goes up very fast. It can damage your laundry room very quickly before the fire department can even get there. If you have any questions or concerns, just feel free to call us at Haley's and I'll come out and I'll do an evaluation of your system there and we can go over the options. We would love to see you.